Welcome to Vautrix Gadgets. Explore the best Amazon EDC gadgets you must buy. These smart and practical tools are designed to make life easier, safer, and more organized, from compact multi-tools to clever tech that fits your everyday needs. Number 15. Small knife. These trusted brands make reliable and budget-friendly EDC gear, and this tool proves it. It has a replaceable utility blade and a pry bar to protect your main knife when cutting or prying. The slide mechanism features dual detent safety, while the other end holds 8 extra tools like a nail puller, wire stripper, and screwdrivers. Its grippy handle and lightweight design make it ideal for everyday use. Number 14. Pocket-size air pump. A reliable and efficient air pump is essential for inflating sports gear or inflatables. This compact, easy-to-use tool offers quick inflation with its flip-and-start feature and hassle-free quick-release function. The built-in PSI memory saves your preferred pressure, and the 0 to 150 PSI range suits many uses. Automatic stop prevents overinflation, making it safe, accurate, ergonomic, and perfect for all users. Number 13. Keyring cable. Tired of choosing the wrong charging cable? This compact gadget combines 4 connections: USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to Lightning, USB-A to USB-C, and USB-A to Lightning. Magnetic sliding connectors keep it neat and tangle-free. With durable nylon and aluminum build, it lasts 40,000 bends, supports 240-watt laptop charging, 27-watt iPhone fast charging, and data transfer. Simple, strong, and convenient. Number 12. All Gear 1. This compact Swiss Army knife packs 14 tools into a 3.6-inch handle, weighing just 3 ounces. Designed for everyday practicality, it includes a Phillips screwdriver instead of a corkscrew. With blades, openers, scissors, tweezers, and more, it's durable, reliable, and backed by a lifetime warranty, making it a versatile, high-value multi-tool for daily use. Number 11. Water pump pliers. Don't be fooled by its size. This pocket plier delivers serious power. At 100 millimeters and 62 grams, it performs anywhere. Its patented box joint adjusts one-handed through 11 positions, gripping nuts up to 24 millimeters and pipes up to 28 millimeters. Hardened 61 HRC teeth hold firmly, self-locking design prevents slips, and textured handles ensure a steady grip. Number 10. Magnetic wireless charger. Smartphones are used daily, but dead batteries are frustrating. Cables tangle and power banks are bulky. This slim 5,000 milliamp-hour magnetic power bank snaps to iPhones, delivering 7.5 watts wireless charging. Only half an inch thick, it's portable, with a built-in kickstand, strong magnets for secure hold, and a USB-C port to charge both phone and bank together. Number 9. Mini screwdriver. This tiny multi-tool fits on a keychain and handles small screwdriver tasks. Made from durable titanium alloy, it resists corrosion and is lightweight. A hidden compartment stores 4 double-ended steel bits for 8 driver options. Its dual-mode system offers a magnetic tip for precision and a horizontal position for higher torque. Lanyard and attachment make it easy to carry. Number 8. Rechargeable EDC flashlight. Compact yet durable, this flashlight delivers 400 lumens in a pocket-friendly size, ideal for daily use or outdoor trips. Its dual LED system provides versatile lighting with a 3-level main beam controlled by a smooth pulley switch. The side RGB light offers 7 colors and a flashing alert. Rotating head, sturdy clip, fast charging, and waterproof design handle any condition. Number 7. Crossbody bag. This compact EDC sling bag keeps essentials organized and accessible. Made from durable, water-resistant Cordura nylon, it's lightweight for daily use. The ergonomic single strap ensures comfort, while 3 compartments hold small items, devices, and a hidden pocket for valuables. Durable zippers and quick-release buckles make it secure and convenient, perfect for everyday life and travel. Number 6. Portable solar radio. This emergency crank weather radio keeps you prepared with real-time alerts for severe conditions. It powers via hand crank, solar, USB-C, or AAA batteries, working even without electricity. Features include an LED flashlight, SOS alarm with strobe, and a 3,000 milliamp-hour power bank. Compact and portable, it's ideal for emergencies, camping, outdoor activities, or travel. Number 5. Waterproof mobile pouch. Keep your phone safe with this waterproof pouch, protecting against water, dust, and drops. Perfect for swimming, kayaking, beach trips, or outdoor adventures, it allows smooth touchscreen use for calls, photos, or apps without removing the phone. A secure lock, sturdy lanyard, and compatibility with 4 to 7-inch smartphones provide reliable protection and peace of mind. Number 4. Mini Bluetooth keyboard. Work or play anywhere with this portable keyboard. Slim and lightweight, it fits in a bag or pocket, ideal for travel, gaming, or daily use. Bluetooth 3.0 offers a stable connection with phones, tablets, or PCs. The rechargeable USB-C battery lasts all day, and 49 or 64 keys provide a responsive feel. Compatible with Android, iOS, and Windows. Number 3. Pocket-size razor. Stay sharp with this compact men's razor. Its 0.07mm mesh and 6,000 RPM motor provide a smooth, safe shave quickly. Pocket-sized for travel or daily touch-ups, the battery lasts 35 minutes, about 20 shaves, and recharges via USB-C. Features include a travel lock for safety and a twist-off design for easy cleaning, making it convenient and reliable. Number 2. Titanium Carabiner Multi-Tool. This compact titanium tool is perfect for travelers and outdoor lovers, combining 18 functions like a bottle opener, screwdriver, and pry tool. It makes daily tasks easier without carrying multiple tools. Durable and strong, it handles heavy loads, while its smooth finish adds style. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to carry, it's ideal for everyday use and adventure. Number 1. Metal and leather wallet. The modern wallet pairs a strong metal frame with premium oil-tanned leather for a stylish, refined look. Slim and compact, it fits in a front pocket yet holds up to 13 cards and 10 bills. Features include an adjustable sliding clasp, built-in bottle opener, and RFID protection. Practical, secure, and fashionable, it's ideal for everyday use. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.